and they need the tires, we don't recommend them getting the tire replaced anyway. Let me just double check though. Yes sir, some in there, beautiful. You guys gotta tell Big E. Today I got the Vans on. My feet are gonna hurt by the end of the day, but you know what? Fuck it, we ball. Let me try to do this quick. It is cold out here, guys, so pain in the ass, dude. But here you go. Gonna paint it. Okay. Fucking hurts me. Alright, everybody, let me just gonna get flush. These cutters are older than me, so they're not super sharp anymore. So now just kind of paint it, whatever. This is the most important part. So with that being said, gonna come right here. Get everything. I like over here reaching. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It goes on nice a couple times. Since because I'm OCD about this shit, bam, I always push down, push up. I know it's sitting flush. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, there's none.